This is the story of Adam. Created in 4004 BC, had two sons. Unfortunately, one killed the other. Had a third son at the age of 130 named Seth. He then had more sons and daughters, and our tradition says he had 56 children with Eve. Lamech, he spoke to for 56 years, who just happens to be Noah's dad. And then ultimately Adam dies in 3074 BC.
All right, let's talk about the two Enochs. Now, Cain had a son named Enoch, but we're going to skip over to the one that Seth had. Seventh from Adam, there's Enoch. He is the man that never died. What does that mean? He was translated. He walked with God for 365 years, had sons and daughters, of which Methuselah, who was Noah's grandfather, lived to be 969 years old. But at the age of 365 years, because of his righteous character, okay, that's what got him in heaven. He never saw death. He was just snatched up right into heaven. And that's Enoch. He's mysterious, but very cool. Thanks for asking.